beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to be going in with this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in medium olive, and I'm going to be applying it all over my lids, mi corrector en mis párpados. Alright, so I'm going to be applying my concealer all over my lids, and I'm going to blend that in with my finger. Okay. And I'm doing the same thing, melting it in with my finger on this eye. Okay, haciendo lo mismo con este ojo. Moving on with my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this palette here from Macaria. It's called Siempre Viva, and I'm going to be using the color Alma, which is this color right here, and I'm going to be applying it all over my lids. I'll be using this brush here, and same thing with my other eye. Okay, so me estoy aplicando la sombra en el color Alma de la paleta Siempre Viva. Alright guys, moving on with my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the same palette, but this time I'm going to go in with this color here. It's called Licha, and I'm going to be applying it on my crease. Ok, voy a estar utilizando este color de la misma paleta en el color Licha y me lo voy a aplicar en mi cuenca. Ok, doing circular motions and moving it back and forth. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eye. Okay, so estoy usando la sombra en el color Licha y aplicándolo en mi cuenca. Okay, vamos a hacer lo mismo en mi otro ojo. So once we have applied the color Licha on my crease, I'm gonna go in with the next color. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brush here, and I'm gonna be using the same palette. Voy a estar usando la misma paleta, pero ahora voy a usar el color Eva. Okay, I'm gonna be using this color. Okay, and I'm gonna be applying it on my outer corner. Okay, I'm gonna be applying it right here. Okay, I'm gonna be closing off this edge here, this corner. Okay, and I'm gonna do circular motions, and we're gonna build that color. Okay, just like so. Actually gonna grab this other brush here, and I'm gonna be applying the color Ella. Okay, we're gonna blend, circular motions, closing off this edge here, and we're gonna build from here. Moving on, I'm gonna be applying the same color Eva using this brush here, and I'll be applying it in my lower lashes. Okay, just like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eye. Moving on with my eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the same palette, but I'm gonna go in with this color here, which is Margarita. Ok, voy a estar usando esta sombra y el color se llama Margarita. Me lo voy a aplicar en mi párpado. Ok, I'm going to be applying it on my lid. Alright, and I will be using this brush here. Okay, just like so. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing with my other eye, okay? So aplicando la sombra en mi párpado. La sombra se llama Margarita, de la misma paleta, ok? Estoy usando la misma paleta. Ok, vamos a hacer lo mismo con el otro ojo. Now that I have finished applying the color Margarita on my lids, I'm gonna move on with my eyeliner, okay? So, vamos a continuar con mi delineador y voy a estar usando este de Wet n Wild, okay? I'm gonna be using this eyeliner from Wet n Wild. Alright guys, so filling in my wing here, okay? And I'm gonna do the same thing with my other eye. Guys, now that I have applied my winged eyeliner, I'm gonna go on with this other eyeliner, and it's from L'Oreal. I'm gonna be applying it on my waterline, okay? So vamos a continuar con este otro delineador y me lo voy a aplicar en mi línea de agua. Aplicando el delineador de L'Oreal en mi línea de agua y vamos a hacer lo mismo con el otro ojo. Moving on with my lashes, I was looking for a more dramatic lash, but I do not have it at the moment, so I will be applying two different lashes, and these are from J Lash in the number 46. So I'll be applying this one first, and then I'll be applying this one on top. Okay, and this one's in number 1. Guys, moving on with my foundation, I'm gonna be using these two. This one's from L'Oreal in the number 490, and this one's from Maybelline in the number 130. I'm gonna be mixing both of them together. Voy a estar utilizando estas dos bases, estas de L'Oreal en el número 490 y estas de Maybelline en el número 130. Alright guys, so mixing 130 and 490. I'm gonna mix that in, okay, and I'm gonna apply it to my face, just like so. Okay, bring that in. Alright guys, moving on with my concealer, I'm going to be using this one right here from NYX in the shade Medium Olive. Voy a estar utilizando este corrector de NYX in Medium Olive. Okay, so applying some of that concealer here. Okay, here. A little bit here. Down the nose. Right here. And in my chin, okay? And I'm gonna blend that out. Okay. Now that I have blended my concealer, I'm gonna move on with baking, and I'm gonna be using this loose powder here from Maybelline in the shade 01. I'm gonna be applying some here, 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 in the forehead, and right here. Okay. Moving on with my bronzer, I'm going to be using this one here from Revlon, and I'm going to be using this brush here. Okay, I'm going to grab some product, and I'm going to be putting it in the hollows of my cheek right here. Okay, just like so. Okay, we're gonna bring it up to our temples, up to the forehead. Okay, we're doing a little bit of contouring here, tapping it in here in the hollows of the cheek. Okay, doing circular motions, bringing it up to the temple and up to the forehead. Okay. Now we're gonna dust off the excess powder, okay? And I'm gonna be using this powder brush right here, and I'm just gonna dust away, okay? Like so. Okay, and excess powder of the forehead. Okay, dust away. Alright guys, moving on with my blush, I'm gonna be using this one by Covergirl, and it's in the shade 590. Okay, I'm gonna be applying it with this brush. Alright, so grabbing some product and tapping that into the apples of my cheek, okay? Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing with this side, okay? I'm gonna grab some more of the product and tap it into the apples of our cheek. Okay, just like so. Alright guys, moving on with my highlighter. I'm gonna be using this palette right here, and I will be using the color Glimmer. Okay, this one right here. Okay, and I'll be using my fan brush. Okay, this one here. So I'm gonna grab some and apply right here. Okay, some here, some here, some here, and in my Cupid's bow. Okay, and some here. Alright guys, moving on with the lips, I'm going to be using this lip gloss from NYX, and it's in Frosted Plum. Lo vamos a aplicar. Alright guys, finishing off with the lip. Alrighty guys, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay safe, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah.